Hello, welcome to this new lesson. This lesson is going to be about 5 common verbs in Urdu. We're going to conjugate these 5 verbs into 5 different tenses. We're going to use several pronouns: he, she, you, I. I made countless videos like these, and you can find them in these playlists. If you're new to this channel, hello, I'm Sara. I teach Urdu as a second language on this channel. I teach Urdu with dramas, movies, songs, grammar, books, and stories. Now let's get started with our verbs. The first verb is chalana. Chalana. Chalana means to operate a machinery like a motor or a fan, or handle a firearm even. It also means to drive, to ride, put something in motion. So it's a very important verb. What we are going to do is we are going to conjugate in 5 different tenses. The order would be past simple tense, past continuous tense, present continuous tense, past habitual tense, present simple tense, and future tense. The first tense is past simple tense, an action that has been done in the past. The verb that we're going to use is gadi chalana. Gadi chalana means to drive a car. Gadi is a car. So because you drive something, it's a transitive verb, and therefore the subject will be attached with a ne. मैंने पिछले हफ्ते गाड़ी चलाई. मैंने पिछले हफ्ते गाड़ी चलाई. If you feel confused, make sure you follow the video where I explained it in detail. मैंने पिछले हफ्ते गाड़ी चलाई. गाड़ी is feminine, so it's चलाई. The second one is past continuous, something that was happening in the past. मैं गाड़ी चला रहा था जब तुम्हारी कॉल आई. मैं गाड़ी चला रहा था. I was driving the car. जब तुम्हारी कॉल आई. When your call came. जब means when. तुम्हारी means your. Call is call and I is came. Call is feminine, so it's I. The next one is present continuous, which is something that you're doing in the present moment, actively and progressively doing. The verb that we're going to use, the object is going to be karobar chalana. Karobar chalana is to run a business. Karobar is a business. Chalana is to run. मैं अपना कारोबार चला रहा हूँ. मैं अपना कारोबार चला रहा हूँ. मैं अपना means my own. कारोबार चला रहा हूँ. Running my own business. The next one is past habitual, something that you used to do. पहले मैं ख़ानदानी कारोबार चलाता था. पहले मैं ख़ानदानी कारोबार चलाता था. ख़ानदानी means family. चलाता था used to. पहले मैं ख़ानदानी कारोबार चलाता था. I used to run family business. अब मैं कपड़ों का कारोबार चलाता हूँ. अब मैं कपड़ों का कारोबार चलाता हूँ. अब means now. मैं I कपड़ों का of clothes. So I run a clothing business now. कपड़ों का means of clothes. I run means that's what I permanently do. Okay, this is the present simple tense. The next tense is future tense, and the verb that we are going to use is AC chalana. So you can use it for fan, AC, a car, a bicycle, a plane as well. Here we are going to use AC. AC chalana. AC is a air conditioning system. कल से मैं अपने घर में AC चलाऊंगा. कल से means from tomorrow मैं अपने घर से एसी चलाऊंगा. मैं अपने घर में एसी चलाऊंगा. I'll open or I'll turn on the AC from tomorrow. I hope you're with me so far and you're learning. You can always take a verb. I'm giving you few verbs here, and what you can do is conjugate them in the comment section. The next verb we are going to use is intizar karna. Intizar karna is to wait. Intizar karna, to wait. Now remember that these verbs are used in many different contexts because karna is to do, and karna is attached with so many nouns and adjectives, and therefore it's a very, very useful verb. You can attach karna with most nouns. Here intizar is a noun which is wait. So basically what it means is to do the wait. So the conjugations of karna is essential to learn. It's crucial that you learn it if you're learning Urdu or Hindi, because Hindi and Urdu grammar are pretty much the same. Okay, so the first tense is the past simple tense. I'm going to use very simple sentences. We are not going to embellish it too much because I intend to make it for beginner students. So the first one is मैंने उसका बहुत इंतज़ार किया. मैंने उसका बहुत इंतज़ार किया. Another way you can say it is मैंने उसका बहुत इंतज़ार करा. But इंतज़ार किया is much more common. उसका means her. I waited for her or him. मैंने उसका बहुत इंतज़ार किया. The second one is the past continuous. वो मेरा इंतज़ार कर रहा था. वो मेरा इंतज़ार कर रहा था. He was waiting for me. He was doing my wait. Which is so weird, but that's the literal one. वो मेरा इंतज़ार कर रहा था. The other one is the present continuous. मैं तुम्हारा इंतज़ार कर रहा हूँ. मैं तुम्हारा इंतज़ार कर रहा हूँ. I'm waiting for you. So as you can see, they're pretty similar, the past continuous and the present continuous, except the ending is different. This one has हूँ, the other one is था. मैं तुम्हारा इंतज़ार कर रहा हूँ, जल्दी करो. The next one is past habitual. मैं हर रोज़ उसका इंतज़ार करता था. पहले मैं हर रोज़ उसका इंतज़ार करता था. I used to wait for him every day or her. अब मैं नहीं करता. The next one is तुम जल्दी करना, मैं इंतज़ार करूँगा. तुम जल्दी करना, तुम जल्दी आना, मैं इंतज़ार करूँगा. तुम जल्दी आना, मैं इंतज़ार करूँगा. Here the whole verb is used as a command. जल्दी आना, come quickly. मैं इंतज़ार करूँगा. I will wait. Here the subject is a male. In the next verb we'll use the female subject. Our next verb is pakana. Pakana. That is a transitive verb. कल मैंने खाना पकाया. कल मैंने खाना पकाया. I made food. I made dinner yesterday. If you have noticed something, kal is the same for tomorrow and for yesterday. It just depends on the context, and the verb ending also helps. मैं नाश्ता पका रहा था जब उसकी कॉल आई. Or you can also say मैं खाना पका रहा था जब उसकी कॉल आई. मैं खाना पका रहा था जब उसकी कॉल आई. मैं सालन पका रहा हूँ. मैं सालन पका रहा हूँ. सालन is a curry, like a chicken curry. मैं सालन पका रहा हूँ. पहले मैं हर रोज़ घर में खाना पकाता था. पहले मैं हर रोज़ घर में खाना पकाता था. I used to make food every day. अब मैं सिर्फ 2 दिन पकाता हूँ. अब मैं सिर्फ 2 दिन पकाता हूँ. अब मैं हफ्ते में सिर्फ 2 दिन पकाता हूँ. Nowadays I only cook twice a week. हफ्ते में means in a week. सिर्फ means only. 2 दिन is 2 days पकाता हूँ. The next one is the future tense. कल मैं फैमिली के लिए बिरयानी पकाऊंगा. कल मैं फैमिली के लिए बिरयानी पकाऊंगा. Tomorrow I'll make biryani for the family. Our next verb is milna, which is to get, but here we'll use it as to meet. We're going to use a female subject for these sentences. कल मैं अपने दोस्त से मिली. कल मैं अपने दोस्त से मिली. It's an intransitive verb, so it depends on the subject, the ending of the verb. Yesterday I met a friend. कोविड के दौरान मैं बहुत दोस्तों से मिल रही थी. कोविड के दौरान, ड्यूरिंग कोविड के दौरान is a postposition that means during. कोविड के दौरान मैं बहुत दोस्तों से मिल रही थी. आज मैं अपने भाई से मिल रही हूँ. आज मैं अपने भाई से मिल रही हूँ. Today I'm gonna see my brother. We use meet for seeing someone. You're talking about meeting or hanging out with someone. पहले मैं हर किसी से मिलता था. पहले मैं हर किसी से मिलती थी. पहले मैं हर किसी से मिलती थी. I used to meet everyone. हर किसी से means with everyone. Here you can see that the object, the person who we are meeting, is marked with say, where here it means with. पहले मैं हर किसी से मिलती थी. अब मैं सिर्फ कुछ लोगों से मिलती हूँ. अब means now. मैं सिर्फ only कुछ लोगों से. Some people. Say with. With some people I meet. We can use this verb for every single meetup, not only the first one. For the future tense, you can say कल मैं अपनी दोस्त से मिलूंगी. कल मैं अपनी दोस्त से मिलूंगी. I'll meet my friend. Here अपनी is implying that the friend is female. The next verb is Jagna. Jagna, which is to wake up. It is also an intransitive verb. कल मैं जल्दी जागी. कल मैं जल्दी जागी. I woke up early. जल्दी means early. It means quick or fast as well. मैं जाग रही थी जब वो आया. मैं जाग रही थी. I was awake. Here it means awake. Not the act of waking up, but I was awake. मैं जाग रही थी जब वो आया. When he came. मैं जाग रही हूँ. तुम आ जाओ. मैं जाग रही हूँ. I'm awake. मैं जाग रही हूँ. तुम आ जाओ. You come. It's an imperative. मैं हर रोज़ 6 बजे जागती हूँ. मैं हर रोज़ every day 6 बजे 6 o'clock जागती हूँ. I wake up at 6 o'clock every day. पहले मैं 11 बजे जागती थी. पहले मैं 11 बजे जागती थी. You can use this verb interchangeably with उठना as well. उठना means to get up. The future tense you can say कल मैं देर से जागूंगी क्योंकि मेरी छुट्टी है. कल मैं देर से जागूंगी. Tomorrow I'll wake up late. देर से means late. कल मैं देर से जागूंगी क्योंकि because it's a conjunction. मेरी छुट्टी है. It is my holiday. It is my off day. If you like this video and you want to support me, you can do that on Patreon. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. You can also get a PDF if you are a patron. Have a lovely day and I'll see you later. Goodbye.